Hi everyone, meet me again with part number 3 about the bird in the book of my first book of animal. I cannot fly, but I can run very fast. I am the largest of all birds. I eat plants and lizards. I am the ostrich. I have a hook beak and colorful feather. You can teach me to talk. I love nuts and fruits. I am a parrot. The next one would be I eat egg and lizard. I have hook, beak and large wing. I can see and fly very well. I am a vulture. I hunt food for night. I have a hook beak and a sharp claw. I can see and hear very well. I am a owl. The next one, I love to eat fruits. I have a large and colorful beak. My tongue looks like feather. I am a toucan. I live a rookery in the cold lands. I cannot fly, but I swim very well. My baby I call chicks. I am a cute penguin. Okay everyone, today lessons about the birds. Finish. Continue for part 4 with Giffy again next time. Bye bye.